I said it before and I'm saying it once again. Trading is not hard, but it's very complex. There was a time in my life whereby I thought trading was really hard and nearly impossible. I kept on asking myself, can this thing sustain me financially for a lifetime? Because many things just didn't add up. It really didn't make sense. But look, this is me today coming here in front of you, giving you guys the future, prophesying the charts, telling you this is what's going to happen this month. And girl, what? The market comes and does the very same things that I said it's what's going to do. I came by week and tell you guys this is where the market is going this week, and the market comes along and it does the very same thing that I said it's going. I don't do playouts on this channel whereby I just say something and then I let the market play out because the market has already done those things that I'm saying. I always give you guys the future. If the video is not giving you guys a lesson, I'm giving you the future of the charts. I'm literally prophesying with, yay, this is where we're going. And how did I get to that level so fast? It was until I realized that, wait a minute, the only thing that's making trading hard is me. How did I do that? On this video, I'm giving you two simple things. They are very simple, but they contributed a lot into making me become a profitable, consistently profitable Forex trader. And number one is impatience. Before I became a profitable trader, I would force myself into trading every day because I was told that consistency is key. And whoever said this was right, actually, because I'm saying it too. But consistency can only be key if you are doing the right things consistently. In the trading market, you will not find trading opportunities every day, the whole month, because there's a time whereby the market is taking a breather. And during this stage, the market is usually consolidating. There's a time in the trading market whereby the market is going through exhaustion. And during this period, trading conditions are not favorable. Trading conditions not being favorable doesn't mean that you can't trade. You can force your way into trading, but it's not the right time to trade. At least it's not the right time for a profitable trader to take trade. Same thing goes when the market is taking a breather. You can still trade. Some people do trade consolidation, but it's not the right time to make money in the Forex market. For example, this chart right here. You see this trend right here. The market was still moving up, but you can see that the candlesticks that the market was producing were becoming smaller and smaller and smaller as it was moving all the way above. It was still trading to the upside direction, but a person who has some experience in the Forex market knows that something fishy going on now. Sometimes it will produce even tinier candlesticks, telling you that we are exhausted. The market has been trending in the same direction for a very long time and is now tired. It's going through exhaustion. Usually after exhaustion, it comes consolidation. As you can see, the market did a little bit of consolidation here before these two are the signs that the market will either, most of the time, it changes the structure. But doesn't mean that every time the market goes through it will change the structure. Sometimes it does break above, but most of the time it changes the structure. As you can see right here, the market was trending to the upside direction for a very long time, and after that the market was consolidated for a while and then it changed structure. Now this is where the profitable Forex traders get into the market and start taking trades, because now they know where the market is going and the market is producing big momentum candlesticks. These are the right trading conditions now right here. So profitable Forex traders have been taking their profits because they've been trading while the market was going upside. As the market was going up, the market exhausted, got tired and exhausted, took a breather right here, preparing its momentum to push by force. Then after the period of consolidation, of breathing, the markets then got enough strength to start pushing to the new direction. Now we are getting into the market and we are taking trades. Simple. There's nothing complicated about that. You just have to know what is going on and why is this thing happening. And unfortunately, this you can only know by the person who've been trading for quite some time and being profitable. Because if you're not profitable, it's because you don't know. It's not because you are a bad trader, or you are dumb, or you have a step, or you are a low learner. You are not a low learner. It's just that maybe you haven't received the right information yet, because there's nothing complicated to what I have explained so far. Even I think a 7-year-old child can just understand. Because all right, the market was trading because this was if you go for too long, let's say you are walking or you are running, after running for quite some time, you'll be tired. And after you are tired, you will not run anymore. You will begin to take those steps, but you are still going to where you are going. Up until you reach a certain level whereby your body can't take it no more, and you will just stand and breathe. Just stand still or sit down and breathe. All right? Or start walking slowly. So this is that process, consolidation. The market is taking a breather. And then after you have regained your strength, you start running again, or maybe you have went too far and then you want to go back home. If you take, those who take evening walks will know what I'm talking about. Because after you have walked for too long, you go back home, right? So the market went back home. Simple. Trading is not hard, but it's very complex. With the right information, everyone can make it into Forex. With the right information, I do believe that everyone can become a consistently profitable trader. Being a profitable Forex trader doesn't mean that you are trading every day. It simply means you are consistently winning your trades. But you only, to be a profitable and remain a profitable Forex trader, you will only have to trade when the trading conditions are favorable. So stop forcing yourself into trades that are not there because you heard someone say, trade every day, be consistent. Yes, be consistent, but consistent doing the right things, such as trading when the trading markets are favorable for trading, which does not usually happen every day. That's a video right here. I showed you guys how to grow a $30 to what? But this video. So on that video, I traded every day consistently for a whole week. I took trades each and every day. And I won all my trades. The only one trade that I lost, it was not even my fault. It was the broker's fault. Because there was, watch this video, you'll see what's happened. But how did I got to winning those trades each and every day? It's because I took trades each and every day while the market was favorable for trading. So you can trade each and every day, it's possible. And if you are trading each and every day at the right trading time, with the right trading conditions, you will definitely 99.9% win all your trades, because why would you lose? Right skills, right information, right strategy, right trading conditions. Why would you lose your trades? The second factor that is contributing to your losses in trading, as soon as I stopped doing this, I saw major improvement into my trading game. That is, stop forcing the trade. This is the worst thing that you can do to yourself. There are many bad things that you can do to yourself in the trading market. But this is the worst. You know why? Because this is how we make money in the trading markets. If you got the trend right, you got money into your hands. You know the saying this, the trend is your friend. Actually, the first trading rule is we trade with the moving trend. The trend is your friend, and that's there for a reason. If you got the trend, you've got money. As a matter of fact, when I first started trading Forex, I was very weak with my entries, but still, I was profitable. I was a profitable beginner Forex trader because I always had my trend direction right. So I would face a drawdown for a while. I would hold losses because I entered too early. But after a while, the market will come up and I will regain and make back all the money that I lost while the market was going against me. And I will make profits at the end of the day and close in profits because I had the trend rise, even though I was very bad when it comes to the entry time. But look at how I have grown as a trader. Now I get to determine the trend direction for the entire month, and I always come with those here and share with you guys. And in my sharing, I always tell you guys that don't force it, but this is what's gonna happen next. If this one didn't happen, this is what you should be looking for. I don't force you into it because I don't want you guys to lock into something. Be open-minded. When it comes to the trend, be open-minded. Know what is the possibility, because at the end of the day, you are not smart money. I'm not smart money. We don't know what smart money gonna do next, but we know possibilities. We know the things that can happen. And most of the time, those things usually happen after a while, after the market has faced this consolidation, this exhaustion stage. There comes the trend direction that we usually anticipate in the Forex markets. I have found myself becoming a consistently profitable Forex trader very fast. I have developed a very easy, simple, and straightforward trading strategy. I think it's the easiest on YouTube. I have the most profitable trading plan, and I'm consistently winning. Consistently winning doesn't mean that you don't lose trades sometimes. You'll get that one or two losses here and there, but you are consistently winning. But these are two simple things that shifted me and put me to this level today. Patience to wait for favorable trading conditions, and don't force your thoughts into trend's direction. Wait for the market to tell you what it's doing, then act based on that. If you really want to transform and improve your trading game this year, patience is key.